Nasumiti na sa Misamis Occidental Provincial Prosecutor's Office nitong Miyerkules, Nobyembre 8 ang mga dokumento batok sa usa sa mga suspect nga nipusil patay sa broadcaster nga si Juan Humalon sulod mismo sa radio booth nitong Domingo sa buntag, Nobyembre 5. Kini ang gikumpirma ni Misamis Occidental Provincial Prosecutor Dicky Gungob atol sa phone patch interview kaniya.
The other day pa yun, we received that complaint at around 8 o'clock in the evening. So our staff and Prosecutor Joby Rosales Saturion waited for the submission of the complaint. But because of the new policy, this DC 020, that for grave offenses, it requires assessment or evaluation before it could be adjudicated as PI or preliminary investigation process. So what happened is during the evaluation there are lacking evidence. So as of now, that case is under review. This case build-up process. So there are documents being required by our assisting prosecutor.
Sa preskon sa Police Provincial Office sa Oroqueta City alas 3 sa hapon nitong Biyernes, Nobyembre 10, dili pa pwedeng hinganlan ng usa sa tulo ka mga suspect nga gipasakahan og kaso nga responsable sa kamatayon ni Humalon. Bisan pa man nga nagpagawas na og computerized composite sketch ang kapulisan. Case build-up pa ang kaso.
Yun yung purpose ng case build-up because of the new procedure ng Department of Justice. No? So, it's not always perfect. That's why during case build-up, doon magtutulungan yung prosecutor and the law enforcers to determine what are the lacking requirements na i-comply ng PNP to ensure not only having probable cause but certainty of conviction later on once the case is filed in court. It's just a procedure. It's a procedure in order to ensure na matibay yung kaso. Unlike before na once you file the case, it will outright be dismissed by the prosecutor pag kulang ang ebidensya or kulang ang requirements. This time, there's 10 days for the prosecutor and the investigator to really coordinate and ensure that all requirements are complied.
Murder og kawat ang gipasakang kaso batok sa suspect.
From there, we received a lot of information from different sources. So, a witness came out that he can positively identify the suspect. So, that's why from there, we were able to confirm kung sino yung gunman that led us to file the case immediately.
Luyo sa mga insidente sa Misamis Occidental, gipasalig ni Police Colonel Dwight Munato sa publiko nga luwas, hapsay ug malinawon gihapon ang probinsya.
We consider those cases an isolated case, no? Because the way we see it, the targets are very specific. Personal, more on personal ang motives. So it does not, the violence does not directed to the general populace of the province. No? So we're confident that these cases are isolated. So as of now, we have not received any report about groups or individuals who wants to sow fear and intimidation to the larger population of the province.
Gipasalig sab sa acting provincial director nga gisiguro gyud nila nga dili makagawas og makaikyas sa Misamis Occidental ang gawas nun pa nga mga suspect kay padayon nga ginapanubayan sa kapulisan ang posibleng gitaguan sa mga suspect. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Province of Misamis Occidental. Stay safe